The Northeastern Hill University, Nehu, has taken a step towards adopting the National Education Policy 2020 for its undergraduate courses. The Vice-Chancellor of Nehu, Prabhashankar Shukla, on Wednesday announced that the university has directed all affiliated colleges to implement the NEP 2020 starting from the upcoming academic year. One of the key aspects of NEP 2020 implementation is the restructuring of undergraduate courses. As per the new policy, undergraduate programs will now span over 4 years and students will have the option of exit points. This means that students can choose to discontinue their studies after the first year and later rejoin whenever they find it feasible to continue their education. He also acknowledged that the challenges that some of the colleges might face in implementing the policy immediately. For such institutions, option to defer the implementation for 1 academic year has been provided.
I am ready to implement the new education policy. After this, I am going to conduct a meeting with the principal of the colleges. One thing, how many principals have the problem to implement the new education policy, the first. Second thing, to involve the colleges for the even to discuss if they are ready to going to include those colleges students in the our employment drive.